The West Coast Kid. Hallelujah. I found out long ago. It's a long way down the holiday road. Holiday road. Holiday
Ripslinger, you're grounded.
Just to let you know, a fire drill will be happening tomorrow. Oh no, not this again. What if I can lower the volume on the fire alarms so that the noise can stop scaring me? No, that is not how fire alarms work. You may not lower the volume on the fire alarms because it's illegal to tamper with the fire alarms. Instead of lowering the volume on the fire alarms, try wearing earplugs, noise-canceling headphones, or both. Hey, maybe I can replace the fire alarm noise with classical music. That way, maybe no one can get startled of the fire alarm noise. I will do this in the middle of the night.
Very soon in the middle of the night. Much later.
Remember, today we are having a fire drill and it will start in a few minutes.
A few minutes later.
What the? Why are the fire alarms playing Mozart music? That is not how fire alarms work. Let's just evacuate the building anyways. Very preposterous how a fire alarm can play classical music rather than the actual fire alarm noise. It's not even possible. Now that the absurd fire drill is over, we can go back inside.
Ripslinger.
I need you in my office this instant.
Ripslinger! There was!
With security footage of you tampering with the fire alarms in the middle of the night. You tampered with the fire alarms by replacing the noise with classical music by Mozart. You are not allowed to tamper with the fire alarms at any building. So why did you do this to the fire alarms? Because I have a real fear of the fire alarm, and it's the noise that makes me anxious. I get that you're anxious of the noise scaring you, but tampering with the fire alarms in any way will not resolve your fear of the fire alarms. Well, the next time a practice fire drill happens at school, what if I can watch someone pull the school fire alarm? I don't want the fire alarm to startle me in an unexpected manner. I understand the fire alarms startle you because of their noise, but that is not an appropriate way to handle your fear of the fire drill and fire alarms. School fire drills are not supposed to work that way. In fact, we only take fire drills and fire alarms very seriously. In that case, your behavior for fire alarm tampering got you resulted in a 1-month suspension from school.
Ripslinger, how dare you tamper with the school fire alarms at the middle of the night, and you got suspended for 1 week. That's it. You are grounded for a week. Which means you will not play Fortnite or go to Disney World during that time. Go to your garage right now. Fine. Screw you, Dusty Crop Hopper. And don't talk like that to me either.